In lesson number 7 in Tally, I taught you about sundry debtors and discount given. Today chapter, that is today's video, I will be explaining you about entry in Tally about contra entry. Now, first of all, what is contra entry? Contra entry is nothing but is like watch for fund transfer between cash and bank. Example, your cash deposit, if you're depositing cash in bank, or you're withdrawing money, or if you want to transfer money from one bank to another bank, that time we have to use this entry of yours in Tally called as contra entry. So my first example, which says cash deposit in bank, that is 50,000. Your company is depositing 50,000 in the bank. So this entry, if you want to do, I have to come to Tally first and come here, vouchers, enter. So once you press, come to your voucher and press enter, you have to press this button of yours called as F4, that is contra. You can click using a mouse, or you can use your keyboard F4 from your function key. Now what we are doing over here is we are depositing money. So on top the bank's name, my bank's name is Union Bank. So if you press space bar, I have a bank, that is, this is my bank account, Union Bank, enter. And down below you write cash. And how much you are depositing the money? 50,000. So you write 50,000, enter, enter. So enter, and so you get this option here like this. So it's asking you how much notes are there, 2,000, how much, 1,000. So at the moment I don't have anything, so I'll just leave it blank. And then if the company tells you to put all these things, you have to put all these details. And then narration, you can say that being cash deposit in bank. So once you have done this thing, you can say yes. So my first entry of my cash deposit entry is done, cash deposit bank. My next entry is over here. It says cash withdrawal, 15,000 I am now removing it from the bank. Now this entry again, for doing this you have to come in contra. I'm already in contra entry. Now when you are withdrawing, it will come like this. Cash will come on top and down bank's name will come. And then you write down your 15,000, that is the money you are withdrawing. Enter, enter. And narration, you can say that being cash withdrawal. So once you have entered the narration, you can say enter and you can say yes. So once you've done this much, and if you like to check whatever you've done so far, entry, so you can just press escape, yes, you can come to your balance sheet, enter, and can press alt F1 from your keyboard, and then on the right hand side you can come here, cash in and enter, enter, enter. So the two entries are done, contra entry. One is cash deposit, that is 50,000 is coming to your credit side, and the other one was 15,000, which we are removing out the money from the bank, that is 15,000, that will go on debit side. My next entry also is about contra entry only, that is rupees 5,000 cash withdrawal from Bank of India. Bank of India, I don't have it, I have to create them. I have only one bank, that is that Union Bank of mine. So now this entry, if you want to do, again you just come to your and vouchers, F4, already I'm in contra entry. Now this is what you're doing is you are withdrawing money from the bank, so that will come cash on top account. Bank of India I don't have, I have to create them. Alt C you press and write down your Bank of India, enter, enter. This will go in your bank account because it's the name of the bank. Enter. If the company tells you to put all these details, you have to put account number, IFSC code and all this. At the moment I'm not putting, I'm just saving it, Control A. And the amount is 5,000, so you write 5,000. So when I press 5,000, enter, you have nothing, Control A you can press. You can see there's a red color is coming over here. Now I don't have any money in this account. I'm just doing directly withdrawal. I have not deposited any money. That's why Tally is telling me that there is no money in this account. So that's why you're getting it in red color. Okay, so that's why I'll just leave it blank. So actually, this is not the right way of doing it, but just to tell you why this red color is coming. So that's why I have showed you this entry of yours. Yes. Next entry is again contra entry I'm doing about. That is cash of 3,000 deposit in Bank of India and 4,000 in Baroda, Bank of Baroda. So I'll have to make two different entries like this. One is Bank of India 3,000 and Bank of Baroda 4,000. Bank of India I already have now actually. So I just had to come here, Bank of India, let's say Bank of India, again contra entry, cash. How much money you're putting in this account? That is 3,000. So 3,000 you push, enter, enter, enter. Again this will come, Control A, you can save it, Control A. Addition you can say here, Control R if I press. Being cash, this is actually you're depositing. So you write here being cash, deposited. Okay, enter, and then you can say yes. Next one was one more bank I have, that is Bank of Baroda. I don't have Bank of Baroda. I have to create Alt C. So just write down your Bank of Baroda. Enter, enter. Again, this is a bank account. So bank. I can save it. Control A. And then down you say cash. Enter. Here we have to put is 4,000. So I'm putting 4,000. Enter, enter, enter. Here nothing, save it, Control A. You can press Control R, being cash deposit, yeah, enter, and then yes. So I've entered these two entries also. Just want to check it. You can just say yes, escape, come to your balance sheet, enter, Alt F1, and then you can come here, cash in hand, enter, enter, enter. So that Bank of India and Bank of Baroda, which you have entered, it will show me here. Or you can do this way also. Instead of coming to your balance sheet, you can come to your option called as display more reports, account books, cash and bank, enter. So here it will tell you. See, this is your cash entry about your, and this is your banks. Bank of Baroda mein you have got 4,000. Bank of India mein you have got 2,000. And Union Bank mein this much money is there. So this is an entry you have. So this is how this entry has to be done. Then one more example I want to show actually in contra entry. That is amount transferred from bank to bank. I am putting 2,000 in this bank, HDFC Bank. I don't have HDFC Bank, so you will have to again create that bank. Now first of all come here, watch us, enter, contra entry, and then you have to create this bank actually. HDFC Bank has to be created. So I'll just press Alt C and just write down the HDFC Bank, enter, enter. This again will go on bank account only. Save it, Control A, and then down below cash, and how much money you're putting over here is 2,000. So you can just put that 2,000 over here, enter, enter. Yeah, nothing, enter. You can save it, Control A, Control A. Now you can press Control R, being cash deposited, enter, and then yes. So now this entry is done. 2,000 entry I've done. Escape, yes. You want to check it, you can just come here, display more reports, account books, cash and bank, enter. So here it is showing you that HDFC Bank you have got is 2,000. So now what I want to do now is that 2,000 what you have deposited in HDFC Bank, now we want to transfer that money to SBI. SBI I don't have, I have to again create it. From HDFC that 2,000 is there, I want to transfer to SBI Bank. So again you come over here, watch us, enter, contra entry, Alt C you press and create this bank, SBI. So I have created this bank, SBI Bank, enter, enter, bank account, save it, Control A, and down below you put that HDFC. Enter. So as you can see that it's showing me 2000. In this bank I've got 2000 amount. This 2000 I want to push it over here. I want to transfer it in SBI. So that 2000 you put it over here. 2000, enter. You're nothing, controlling. So as you can see it's showing 0. That means I have nothing in this bank now called as HD, because this 2000 was there here. I have now transferred to SBI. Enter, enter, controlling. Press Ctrl R, enter, and then you can say yes. So once you've done this, you can escape yes. You want to check it, display more reports, account books, cash and bank, enter. So as you can see that I don't have HDFC bank over here now, because now we have transferred that money. So that is we have transferred that money to this bank of yours, SBI, from HDFC bank to that bank we have transferred now actually. Okay, so I hope you have understood this video, and if you like this video, just give a like and subscribe to my channel, quick Excel tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching.